First of all, ang channel na yo, sa partin sekarang no, advance application Swinai, petition Swinai, permission nadak tonggan. Miawo, sengno thanawo rengka, Saka, either you cancel it or shortening the programs. Very disgusting, and hereby once ago, this is all the conspiracy against the today's gathering where a good writer, a man of literature, a good singer to gather in the peaceful democratic setup. Ini all Ganatantra ni the program, peaceful, peace-loving people is a gathering. Mono, mane batha dana bagai, mutha dana bagai dai. Mono eka conspiracy. Sorong perang mone klayo, angawur bagai dai operation sarana yo. Please stop all this nonsense, conspiracy. Secondly, Angola de Saka, last 50 years we have been struggling for Roman script. Overall, all the political games, politician rokam klai, abunoti lene eka platform tayar kalayo, ang netang nani, ang MLA nani, ang MDC nani, ngui paitan kai, borok Roman script. They speak nothing. They don't speak anything. Our bagay antara nakakita ko sana nayo. If they think this is the platform for MDC, this is the platform for MLA, please don't come here. This is not the platform for to make any MLA or MDC. This is to die for our Roman script and for our Kokno. If you are ready to die, you come. Please come here. Don't expect that this platform will make MLA or MDC or any chairman or more province MLA MDC chairman please and any neta okay if he loves Roman script, if he loves Kokno, please आजाओ इसमें बैठो हमारे साथ इनकलाब जिंदाबाद करो ठीक है okay at the same time thirdly point last 50 years political develop kali pelaja andol kali pelaja Sabu ini platform ni sini ang sarani nayo sini kau ni torop ite kau kani torop ite let us make a social regulation samajik develop kali na no political gain no political solution cannot politically omokun no solution angrakha abono ang cinta kalayo abuni bagine ang saranayo appeal kalayo to every educated, every corner, every people, young, old, everybody, every society, social regulation. Samajik develop kalai na, obosara, pekun chance gure, success nani. Fourthly, and precisely sana na yo, je sini Kokno sanani. To speak our Kokno is at our liberty. Sini sadinota at our liberty. Oro kebono sung bohongala trimo biya kebono musumani biya sini kok mani kok sarani joto ni otika. If Kokno non-speaking group they speak their own language, we appreciate. But then I appeal to the non-Kokno speaking group to appreciate our language because this is my mother tongue. The way you love your mother tongue, you must love and respect my mother tongue also. Angkai awal bagian ang apil kalayo for non-speaking people. Ang kebono joli sama buya, ang kebono nasli sanan buya. This is not a platform to hate anybody, to revolt against anybody. But then we humbly petition, submit our petition. We humbly appeal to our non-speaking people. Please, you must, the way you love your language, you must show your love and respect for our Kokno also. Then only there is Samani Kokno, Nana Basa, Nana Bombo, Nana Poridan, Bibi Debbarma, Dekho Milan Mohan. If that is the case, then the way you love your language, you must love my Kokno also. Then only Milan Mohan. There is possible of Milan Mohan. Hey, Diba, I don't know, can Kokno Nasar Zago, and I go Milan Mohan. Hey, Diba, there cannot be any Milan Mohan. You must respect my Kokno also. Okay, take a sana na yo, Chini, learned speaker of Haphang Saka, Tamo commission, Commission cannot solve any problems. Setting the commission, last 50 years we have tried. last 50 years in commission, like commission, Pavitra commission, Samasaram commission, these are all politicized. These are all politicized. Ang tabuk sana nayo, appeal kalayo, ini all platform di madome, there should be referendum. Ang kok sanay, ang tamu by kok sanay, tamu by Swinai, this is my liberty, at my liberty. Amu ni bagi nayo, tini suntoto saimano, 99% of speaking group, they want romance script. Romance script. Let there be referendum. Ready? Ground of Swinai, who loves romance script? Referendum. Or commission, who loves it? Let there be referendum. Then the finally government will decide. Kaje, Chini social regulation ni matome, the beginning of social regulation, awan mo ilang manda hakal sampani manda penai takuk te buku, jotuno na humble request kalayo, Chini social regulation, ini ni sini oro sen camera buskang pasal ciri pok lima pia, it will continue. Abo praktika kuna kajian hu, tongmo, jotuno Swinai, we want romance script for Kokno. Kaje kunsa kok sainai ang kaina hayani sobani cibai yapere hamai unko kani hamda mo yapere ani kok kaje kani orono bakata